Hey guys, this is Math Topic 3.1. Your objective, your I can statement. I can find the product, which is the answer to the multiplication problems. That's what your product is. Remember, we talked about that today. Again, product is the answer to all multiplication problems of multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000 using mental math and place value strategies. Vocabulary. There are two words that are important as of right now. We'll pick up more as we go along. But you need to know what a product is, and we talked about that today. A product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Example, 3 times 12 is 36. So 36 is the product. If I said 9 times 4, the product would be 36. So again, the answer is the product. You're also going to be looking at partial products. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. So, partial products would be 240 and 2. Now, let me show you how I got those. All right, so if we have 2 times 126, that's our problem that we have to find. All right, I can break it apart, and I can multiply this 2 by 100, and my 100 comes from right here in the hundreds place, plus 20. 20 comes, there are the 2 is in the tens place, plus 6. 6 is in the ones place. So I would then multiply 2 times 100, 2 times 100, that comes from 2 times 100, and then 2 times 20, and I wrote it here, 2 times 20, and then I would multiply 2 times 6. 2 times 6. All right? And then, so I've got to find this product and this product and this product. Okay? So, the product of 2 times 100 is 200. The product of 2 times 20 is 40. The product of 2 times 6 is 12. But don't forget, you have to go back and you have to add these numbers together. Again, we don't have our product. Our product is 252. That's our total that we have after we add everything. Right here, this is your partial product because 2 times 100 is 200, 2 times 20 is 40, 2 times 6 is 12. So now I add them together, add our partial products together. 200 plus 40 is 240. 240 plus 12 is 252. 252 again is my product. This row right here, 240 and 12, that's our partial product. To be successful with topic 3, you need to have some understanding of place value and the properties of multiplication, okay? One of the first properties that we're going to look at is called the distributive property. It's where you use the partial product. The partial product, I just showed you how to do that. And I have it recorded, so in case you forget while you're working, it's okay because you will forget, and now you'll have a reference to go back and look at. Use partial product, which is the multiplication answers, to find the product, okay? All right? Okay, so for example, 43 times 5. Well, it's 215. That's our product. But we get to our product by finding the partial products. For example, I'll multiply 5 times 3, okay? 5 times 3. 5 and 3 are both in the ones place. 3 times 5 is 15. There we go. We got 3 ones and 5 ones. Multiply them together, you get 15. Now next, I'm going to multiply 5 right here in the ones place times the 4 in the tens place. So that would be 5 ones times 4 in the tens place. So 5 times 40, because 4 tens is 40, okay? So 5 times 40 is 200, all right? Now we got to add this together. 5 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 2. All right, so let's look at this example, partial product. This is another way to look at it using our place value blocks. partial product and a distributive property continued. All right, so let's say I wanted to use place value blocks to find 2 times 126. All right, and I want to use the distributive property. Distributive. Misspelled that. I wrote it out wrong. All right, so I want to show 126 times 2. I could use my place value blocks. I could have 100, and remember, if we count these, we get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's 100 here, and then look, I have to add 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because there's 2 tens right there. So we got 100 here, 2 tens there. That gives us 20. And then how many ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 126. This is a partial product, okay? Now down here we have 126 again. This is a partial product. Let me show you. We have the same exact thing here as we do here. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And now here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 2 tens. All right, because it says 2 tens here. And now I've got to have 6 ones, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so to find my product here, I have to find my partial products, okay? Here. So I multiply 126. Let me erase this because it got a little bit messy. 126 times 2, okay? So we started with the largest, so 2 times 1 is 200 because this one is in the hundreds place, right? So partial product, 2 times 100 is 200. Now we got to go to 2 times 2, okay? Well, the 2 is in the tens place. So then we say 2 times 2 tens is 40, okay? 2 times 20 is 40. And then we look at 2 times 6. 2 ones times 6 ones is 12. All right? So that's 2 times 6 ones. These are all partial products right here. 200, 40, and 12 partial products. If I add all these together, I get 252. All right, so that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next.